The Cypress Health Region is working very closely with the town, the RM, and all the other response teams to try and resolve this disaster that you're in. We will try and do whatever we can to assist in any way possible. The Public Health Inspection Team has some concerns. Aftermath, if you will. Of course, it's after the flood event, and that's when some of our major concerns start arising. So, first and foremost is prompt and proper cleanup of housing. There is a handout at the back of the room, and I encourage everybody to take a copy. Cleanup after a flood is essential, even if it's considered a little bit of water, to whether you have water mixed with sewage. Because if proper cleanup isn't done, you'll have much more problems later, mold being one of them. There are also mold cleanup sheets available at the back of the room, and I urge you to take one of those as well. In addition to proper cleanup, the residents of the RM are of concern to us. I am happy to say to the people of the town of Maple Creek that you have a water and sewer system that is intact and functioning. Hello? It is not compromised. It is functioning properly according to Environment. So we have been working very closely with Environment as well. But the RM residents have a little bit of a different scenario. On top of their flood cleanup, they have flooded wells, flooded sewer systems, namely lagoons. So we will be working very closely with the RM and its residents to help ensure that proper sampling is done to make sure that they have proper drinking water and sewer systems. Another concern for the Public Health Inspection Team and the Health Region is there's a lot of standing water out there. So I know the water levels are decreasing, and I hope the rain holds off a little while longer. We see the sunshine to help dry things out. But another concern is, of course, future mosquito populations. So wherever you can, we are encouraging you to empty all standing water, if at all possible. I know that a plan for larviciding is going to take place, but of course that can't happen until some of the water levels decrease. So until then, please be patient and do whatever you can to help. And then if you're out in the dusk and the dawn, make sure that you are taking the proper precautions. Wear long sleeves, long pants, loose, light-colored clothing. And, of course, use insect repellents whenever possible. On behalf of mental health, they just wanted to assure everybody that they are here for you as well. The hospital and the Cypress Lodge, thank goodness, were not flooded, so they are operating business as usual. The mental health staff is available for support and counseling, both at the Legion and at the Community Public Health Office at the hospital. All the public is to remember that there are different stress and emotional reactions to a disaster such as this flood. These can occur immediately, 2 days or weeks down the road. So please help your neighbor, lend an ear, bring them in, help them get some counseling if you feel that they are reaching their limit, okay? There are handouts for mental health staff from the mental health staff at the back of the room, at the town, at the RM, at the Legion. And then of course the public health inspection team has the cleanup guides, mosquito control, and how to properly disinfect your private water supplies.